message was issued by the Friendly Police Department. Residents of Friendly, leave the area now. A huge fire has started due to the dry weather. It is currently unknown how the fire started. If you have to abandon your house, the Friendly Church has set up a shelter. Again, evacuate the area now. Currently, firefighters are trying to put out the fire. Stay tuned for further updates on the currently life-threatening situation.
The following message was issued by the Friendly civil authorities. The threat to property is over. About 7 minutes ago the fire was finally put out and the threat to people is gone. However, there has been countless injuries and major damage to the town.